Well, I got myself this new carry knife. It's a Counterpoint 1 from Cold Steel, and it's definitely my new favourite. Awesome knife. I love it. I've been carrying it for about a week, and this Grivex handle, which is reinforced with heat treated aluminum liners. Don't know if you can see them through the holes there, but it's makes it really strong. There's no flex here. It's awesome. It just feels so good in the hand. I love it. Great for all kinds of grips, you name it. Handy, put your thumb on there. Just reverse grip, really good. Just awesome. Crazy punch grip. Not a grip I recommend, that's for sure, but some people like it, of course. Anyway, it's obviously a dagger kind of design, and it is raised here in the center, and this is a false edge, but obviously assists in making the knife really good for penetration. So awesome for self-defense, but also the swoop and curve here makes it really good for everyday tasks, you know, slicing your oranges or whatever. But the blade is 4 inches, which is my personal minimum for self-defense. 4 inches is the smallest that I'm happy with. For everyday use, it's great. It's light, it's not a heavy knife, and the clip, you can put the pocket clip on either side, so it's good for left or right carry. And it's grippy, it's strong, it's everything I want from a knife, really. So this is it. This is my new knife, and of course it has the triad locking system, which is super strong. Great locking system, I love that. I hope Cold Steel keep on doing it. They have different variations of this. They have a 3-inch version for little tiny people, and they have a 6-inch version which looks awesome, and I have just ordered one. I'm so happy with this knife. I did just order the 6-inch version, so that'll be coming soon. It carries really easy. I'll show you in my pocket in a second. So there you go. Not an awful lot I can say more about it. 3.5mm thick, ASU 10A, so it's a good steel. It's a Japanese steel. Holds an edge really well. You get the thing razor sharp. I mean, this came razor sharp. So that's it. Just thought I'd show you guys my new carry knife. So thanks for watching my videos. Catch you later.